And today's video or today's recipe is gonna be very exciting. And we're going to prepare no-bake chicken parmigiana. So we've got these two beautiful chicken thigh fillets. So what we're going to do is to just cut it from here right in the bone. Make sure your knife is sharp, no? We just have to get closer to the bone and let the knife do the work, alright? And then we're gonna slide it on the side and to the other side. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect for the first time. So this is our bone. See that? So easy. What we're going to do is we need to prepare our breadcrumbs. This is a normal breadcrumbs flour, and I'm gonna take 2 eggs. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I want to spice up our breadcrumbs. Smoked paprika, just to give a nice color and a little bit of smokiness to it. And I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Alright, then I'm gonna chop just a little bit of parsley. Okay, so let's try one. Cover everything up. Now, to the egg, to our breadcrumbs. Alright, see that? Do that. Okay, kita nyo? Nice coated chicken. So I'm gonna preheat our pan. We're now gonna fry our chicken. So dahan-dahan na natin siya fry para same yung kanyang cooking time, right? Okay. And do it now. Look at that. So while we are waiting for our chicken, it's gonna take at least 12 minutes. What I'm going to do, let's prepare some salad for our side dish. So what I'm going to do is, I have a lettuce, cherry tomatoes, 1 onion, and I've got 1 apple here. Okay? Gawin natin first, cut some cherry tomatoes, machicola or yung ating onion, peel our apple, then cut it into cubes. Let's add some lemon juice sa ating apple para hindi siya ma-oxidize. And syempre gagamit tayo ng lettuce. I'm gonna wash it. Okay? Okay, so ito na yung ating for the salad. Ready na siya. And this is gonna be our dressing. Okay? Olive oil, white wine vinegar, and anchovy. Then, salt and pepper. Whisk it para mas maging ano siya, no? Creamy. So, yan na yung ating dressing. Oh, nice. Look at that. So, I'm going to put our salad here sa pinaggawaan natin ng dressing. Onions, apples, and tomatoes. Wow. And now, let's add our dressing. Alright. Okay, so almost done na yung ating chicken also. We're gonna take 1 pot. Inside down. And now, we will need some tomato sauce. Kaya gagamit tayo ng oregano. The most important thing is hindi mawala dapat itong ating mozzarella cheese. Kailangan may Parmesan cheese. Or tinatawag natin Parmigiana. Siyempre, I would drizzle just a little bit of olive oil. Okay? I will heat this up. Ito ngayon yung pagtatakip natin sa ating pot. Just heat this up really well. Hintay ko lang uminit yung ating pan. Okay. So, you can also use the broil setting in your oven. So, himahina lang yung apoy natin sa ilalim kasi para hindi siya masyadong wow, I'm so excited. Look at that, guys. Come on! Chicken parmigiana with no oven. Alright, so here is our chicken parmigiana. Okay, so alam niyo naman na kailangan mag-rest, so kahit na hindi pa siya dapat I will try that. Look at that. So I paired it with the salad, which I'm gonna eat now. Wow! Don't forget to sign up or join my group in Facebook. It's called All About Food. You can share your recipes. You can remake my recipes and put it there. Make friends with our other food lovers, and you will learn a lot as well in there. And don't forget to subscribe, of course, to our YouTube channel. Yes, we are now in 40,000. So I hope this year we're gonna make it up to 100,000. So hopefully, it's our goal. So maybe let's go 50 first, okay, and then 100,000. So I will see you guys soon. So thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking, everyone. Bye.